Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for stays on the Expedia application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should tap on the home button down below and click on the stays button at the top. Then you should enter your destination. Select your start date and the end date. Tap on the button done down below. Select the number of room and the number of guests. Then click on the button done and tap on search at the bottom. As you can see, here are the available offers and the recommended properties. So tap on the relevant one that you are interested in, and as you can see down below you can apply filters to narrow down your search according to your preferences. Here you can find details. If you want to, you can select a room and add it to your favorites by tapping on the heart icon in the upper left corner of the screen by creating a new trip. So that's how you can search for stays on this application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.